Welcome to SeedProd. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy SeedProd makes it to add sticky videos to your website. So first, we'll go ahead and embed a video player into your website page. And then when we scroll down a longer page, it'll actually stick to the bottom right corner so your visitors can continue to watch the video as they browse your content. So inside of WordPress here, I just have a clean installation with SeedProd already installed. If you need help installing SeedProd, please visit seedprod.com. or click the link in the description below for step-by-step instructions. The first thing we need to do is set up a simple website. Let's go to the theme builder and we'll use the theme template kits. I'm going to sort from newest to oldest and I'll just simply import one of the themes. We'll hit the check mark. Great, now we can see that SeedProd imported all of the theme template files that we need to work with. Make sure we have enable SeedProd theme checked to yes in the top right corner. For this example, I'm just going to find the home page and I'm going to go ahead and edit the design. Here we can see the SeedProd website builder, and on the right side we can see our website. Let's go ahead and just add a video in here somewhere. So in the search blocks in the top left, I'll put video, and under advanced we can see video pop up. Let's drag this into our page, and we can select the block settings here to customize the features of this block. The first option here is the source, so you don't have to just use YouTube, you can use Vimeo or a custom video that you upload into your media library in WordPress. If you select custom, there's also an external URL where you could hotlink a video from an approved URL. Let's go ahead for this example and use YouTube, and I will copy and paste a video in here. Great, you have features to start the time and edit it. Let's come down under video options, and at the bottom, we actually have enable sticky video. There's many other options here that you can customize as well. Let's turn on enable sticky video. Let's go ahead and save this and we'll preview the page. So here's our front page. Let's go ahead and watch, and you can see the video player is here in the center. And as I scroll down and get past it, you can see that it pops to the bottom right of our screen. This allows people to play the video while they're browsing the rest of the content on your website. This is fantastic, so they're not limited to just staying on this part of your website at the same time. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit seedprod.com to get your upgraded version of SeedProd to use this feature, and join 1 million plus professionals who use SeedProd to create custom WordPress themes and page layouts.